Imagine a world where your money multiplies while you sleep. No, this isn't a fairy tale, it's the magic of banking. Picture this. A bank is like a financial gym. Your money, instead of lazing around, does reps and sets, growing bigger and stronger, and the best part? No sweat for you. So banks are like those fitness trainers for your money, except they don't yell at you to do one more push-up. Now, you may be thinking, but I'm just an ordinary Joe or Jane. How does this bank stuff benefit me? Well, let me tell you. Imagine having a tiny money-making factory right in your pocket. That's what a bank does for you with interest. Every penny you deposit is like a mini worker, tirelessly toiling away to make you more pennies. It might not be a gold mine, but hey, who wouldn't want extra cash for doing absolutely nothing? But what about security? Well, think of your bank as a super secure vault, guarded by a fire-breathing dragon. No sneaky hands can reach your hard-earned money. And unlike that mattress or cookie jar at home, banks offer protection against theft or loss. So unless you're a fan of burnt cookies, I'd say the bank's got you covered. So, not only does a bank keep your money safe from fire-breathing dragons, but it also turns you into a mini money-making wizard. Now let's dive into how these financial fitness centers, aka banks, affect you, the everyday person. Imagine you're about to embark on a grand journey, perhaps buying your first home or starting university. But there's a catch. You're a few doubloons short. Enter stage left, the bank, or as I like to call it, your money fairy godmother. She's there to grant your wish with a loan. It's like Cinderella getting her ball gown and glass slippers. But remember, when the clock strikes 12, or in our case, the loan repayment date, the fairy tale ends. Just like Cinderella had to return her stunning outfit, you too have to return the loan. And, unlike the pumpkin carriage, banks won't vanish at midnight. They'll be there, patiently waiting for their money back. So before you say bibbidi-bobbidi-boo and take that loan, remember it's not just magic, it's a responsibility. So remember, loans are not gifts from a fairy godmother. No pumpkin carriages here, you need to pay it back. Just starting out in the big, wide world of banking? Fear not. We've got the perfect banking buddies for you. Think of it like dating. You're scouting for the one with the most attractive features that suit your needs. Maybe it's a bank with a charming interest rate or a bank with a seductive no-fee policy. Remember, choosing a bank is like dating. Look for one that treats you right, keeps your money safe, and helps it grow. Feeling a bit adventurous and want your money to go on an adventure too? Well, that's called investing. Imagine planting a money tree in your backyard. It won't sprout dollars overnight. It needs time, care, and a dash of courage. Now, swap that tree with an investment. Voila, you're an investor. Just like a money tree, investing requires patience and care. But remember, don't just water it with money, water it with knowledge too. All right, folks, we've reached the end of our banking bonanza. It's been quite the financial journey, hasn't it? We've navigated the labyrinth of loans, dived into the pool of perks, and even survived the storm of stocks. It's like we've been on a financial roller coaster, but without the nausea. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And remember, your money can work out too, so let it hit the gym at a bank near you.